Welcome back, everyone, to the seventh episode
Yes.
of the Stay in the Lab.
Sixth,
Seventh, gago.
sixth episode, gago.
Episode is the Halloween episode, man.
Okay. Pilot, Solitude,
O sige,
Godfather,
bilang.
Future, Halloween episode. Sixth episode to.
Nasa yung Sando Talks.
Sorry. Seventh episode. Seventh episode.
Okay, we're not gonna cut this kasi maganda ilagay sa podcast. Anyways,
Yeah.
how we argue.
Seventh episode. of the Staying Alive podcast.
So yun,
All right.
we are here.
Yun.
We are here to first and foremost, gusto namin i-share yung donation drive namin na
Yeah.
um, tinatakbo namin ngayon until baka kung mapanood mo to until ngayon kung mapanood mo and or mapakinggan mo to, we are running a donation drive for the victims of the Typhoon Ulysses dito sa Philippines. And if you are caring enough to donate for the victims, which we already are trying to do, mag-donate po kayo sa um, GCash and BPI accounts na provided sa Facebook page namin. So go check our Facebook page for more details. And sa mga nasa landaan po ng bagyo, we are praying for you guys out there na sana mag-ingat po kayo lagi and stay dry. I don't know what to say. Kasi alam mo yun, nakakaawa. Kahit alam mong
Stay alive.
papahinga ka
Stay
nga.
alive.
Sa lahat naman po na mag-donate, any amount will do.
Yeah.
Walang mataas, walang mababa. Basta galing sa puso.
Our hearts go out to the citizens of Cagayan and Marikina. So yun.
Pabangon tayo.
So because we're having a difficult time, not necessarily difficult, pero kasi we want to be able to help in a fast manner. We're only accepting donations until tomorrow. Come Monday, once banks resume operations, I will transfer the funds to the Philippine Red Cross account, and that will be the last day. Tomorrow's the last day of donations. After that, we're no longer accepting donations. So please donate ASAP before I transfer the funds on Monday.
If mapanood nila to ngayon, which is kung anong oras man masento,
Tomorrow.
yon, 'di ba? Sana makapag-donate kayo if ever mapanood yun na to until we close our donation accounts, ganun. Diba?
100% legit po, 0% scam.
Yeah, we have no intention of keeping the money.
Di rin, na,
We're all right. Yeah, we want to help those in need.
di rin namin alam kung anong gagawin sa pera na yun kasi we don't have any use of it. So,
Yeah, we honestly don't. Kasi sa totoo lang, laway lang puhunan namin sa podcast na to. Literal.
with that said, we are your host, Kendrick Ang.
Ramon de Mesa,
And KD Laurente.
So yun.
welcome back.
Welcome back to the 7th episode. So we are here to talk about the mysterious but useful world of the internet.
Yeah, it's amazing kasi recently lang, the internet was used to basically stage a online protest with the hashtags nasaan ang Pangulo. You feel me? And recently the internet is used as a donation platform. So, di ba parang wala lang, na-amaze lang ako kasi
Very universal.
kasi kung tutuusin 20 years ago, people didn't think of this. That's 20 years later. I mean, not 30 years ago, people weren't thinking of this. That's 30 years later, here we are using the internet for various purposes. Wala lang, share ko lang. So yun ang hot topic ngayon sa internet.
Yeah.
We didn't break our golden rule though. Kasi number one rule sa atin is don't talk about politics.
Yeah.
We don't talk about politics kasi
Don't talk about politics. I just shared current events. Okay?
Politics is such a Magulo usapan. Kahit ngayon, Biden versus Trump thing, kahit di nga taga dito, like, pinagkakagulo na eh.
True.
So, yeah, avoid politics at all costs tayo sa podcast. So our topic today, today's episode, as Kendrick said earlier, is about the internet. We all have come to know the internet as well right now through online classes, since we're doing everything online through the internet. We also come to know the internet as some place where we share funny stories and memes, or some people do their business over the internet. So, ayun, KD, share ka naman ang story mo sa kung paano mo, how you come to know the internet.
Well, hindi ko na maalala eh. Pero tingin ko nakilala ko lang siya sa former school ko.
Mm.
Kasi unang na alam ko sa internet is Y8.
Same. Ako fairly late na ako nakapunta ng internet kasi yung iba dyan mga ilang taon ba? 6 years old? 7 years old? Hindi, masyado maaga yung 6, 7.
Saan?
Nasa com shop na.
Sa age natin. Iba yun, di ba?
Oo. Ako kasi mga ilang taon na ba ako? Mga 10 na ako na-expose sa internet. Tapos mga 12 ako nalulong sa internet. Pero iba dyan mga 6, 7 exposed na sa internet.
Then, hotdog bush, bartender. Then,
Yeah.
I don't know that.
Then,
Mga
madalas
nilalaro
sa
ko
search nun, mga disaster eh.
Stick war lang nilalaro ko sa Y8 eh.
Mga ganun. Then, ayun. Hanggang sa na-introduce sa YouTube, nagbata ako. Hindi pa uso yung mga social media dati. Ang pinaka-first kong social media na pasukan, Friendster.
Nag-Friendster ka?
Yeah.
Gags ako, Facebook lang talaga. Alam mo kaya ako nag-Facebook? Para sa games. Legit yan. Kasi naiingit ako dahil yung mga klase ko nagba-backyard monsters. Tas ako hindi. So nag-Facebook ako para sa games. Backyard monsters tsaka Restaurant City. Pet Society.
Pet Society. Ay, yung pinaka-first na gusto kong game sa
Pet Society.
Facebook.
That game was the shit, man. That game was the shit.
Ako nag-Facebook ako for, ewan ko, pinagawa ko lang din sa kaibigan ko Facebook ko eh. Pero nag-Facebook ako mainly for Tetris.
Yeah, Tetris Battle. That was a thing back then.
Yeah.
That was a thing back
Tetris
then.
Game Boy ako eh.
Oh.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko mag-gets yung game mechanics nun. Ayoko nang pag-usapan yung game mechanics nun, pero I don't understand the point of Tetris.
Wala lang, it's fun.
Like Backyard Monsters, you had an objective. You have to do. It was the precursor to Clash of Clans.
Oh.
Share ko lang.
Interesting.
And Pet Society was pretty cool because you had to, you customize your own pet.
Para kasi isang Tamagotchi. Mga ganun.
Yeah.
Modern Tamagotchi.
Tamagotchi. Pero yeah, the early days of Facebook, games lang talaga ginagamitan natin.
8-ball tool.
Legit yun, KD? Naabutan mo yung Friendster?
Oh!
Ako nga, di ba? Gags, may Friendster pa rin yata hanggang ngayon.
At ano?
May Friendster pa rin yata ngayon. Or wala na.
Alam mo, wala na.
Check ko.
Kendrick, can you check?
Um,
Ano nangyari? Wala na.
Sabi ng Wikipedia, it's defunct. Or kung ano man na-search ko dito, it's closed as a social media gaming site. Wala na siyang gaming. Tapos wala na rin siyang social networking. So it's dead. It's defunct na daw.
Okay. So
it's dead.
Alala ko pa yung mga background, yung background mo. Nag-glitters pa.
MySpace.
Oh,
I tried MySpace.
Yeah. Dahil sa mga, yung mga Naruto na background.
MySpace.
Mga panahon dati, talagang
Naalala ko.
kasagsagan ng internet.
Naalala ko dati, lahat ng tao sa Facebook, Yung buhok nila, Naruto. Alam mo ba yun? Yung parang buhok ni Sasuke.
Oo.
Alam mo pa yun?
Yung naka-style yung
Di
buhok.
ko kahit kailan pinangarap may magkaroon ng ganung buhok.
Same! Ang awkward.
Tapos tatakbo ka yung hands at the back.
Hmm. Hey, pero I'll share an amazing story about the internet. Let me just take the floor real quick. Super quick lang neto. And significant siya ngayon because I don't know if this particular person, well, it's a she, if she's listening to our podcast or she's liked our podcast. But I've known her for 8 years. And the funny story behind it, the internet made our friendship happen. So it was the night before I left for the US, 2012, August 4. August 5 kasi ako umalis eh. August 4, 2012, nag-despedida kami sa Resorts World. Di ba sa taas ng Resorts World may arcade?
Hmm.
Yeah.
So after namin kumain sa baba, umakyat kami dun sa arcade. Nung pagkaakyat ko sa arcade, it was fun. Kasi first time ko makakita ng mga games on like Temple Run. Basta it was cool 8 years ago. Then, there was this group of girls. I was grade, 5 then. So, yata mga grade 3 sila, Basta mga grade 3 sila. Na grade 3. Because we were playing. We were playing in the arcade. Because, we were kids.
Hmm.
And then, before I left the arcade, mom said we had to go dahil maaga pa daw flight ko. I asked the girls, y'all have Facebook? And I gave them my name. Search mo to, Rawan Antonio Menes de Mesa. Search mo yan sa Facebook, add mo ako, let's keep in touch. Nasa US na ako, mga 10 days na yata ako sa US. I got a friend request. And guess what? It was one of the girls. Amazing. Hanggang ngayon, friends pa rin kami.
Sana all.
Sharing lang. Pero it just goes to show like how amazing the internet is. It builds bridges. It locates lost bridges, and it can also destroy bridges.
Yes.
Ang ano nga yun, it's a powerful tool,
Yung sad,
especially in our generation.
yung sad part ng internet ngayon is yung cancel culture. Yun lang yung masama.
That is true. That is true.
Actually,
Kasi nawawala ng freedom of speech mo.
may magandang kwento ako about, recently lang, very recently. Siyempre, alam naman natin yung Among Us, laro na natin yun.
Yeah.
Nag-download ako recently ulit, a few days ago. Tapos parang there were two people na parang solid silang magkasama. Like, sumali ako sa room nila. Tapos mga 4 to 5 games sumali pa rin ako. Tapos nakikita ko sila pa rin magkasama. So sabi ko, magkasama ba kayo? Sabi na, oo, may Discord daw sila. Parang sa Among Us lang daw sila nagkakilala and everything. Parang, alam mo yun, kahit sa laro lang, like nagka-connect na sila.
Sana all.
True.
Legit,
Dami nga. And online dating, it's just like a thing now. Bumble, Tinder, even Omegle to some extent, and Near Group.
Si KD lang ata di nakaranas mag-dating app sa ating tatlo.
Yeah.
Dating app is not true love.
Bakit?
Dating apps suck.
Oh.
For me. For me.
Oh.
Parang
Ano mo nasabi?
dating app is parang sa mga nagmamadali lang. Yung parang hindi mapigilan yung sarili mo.
Okay. Quick hookups, ganun. Quick hookups.
Not quick hookups. Yung parang nagmamadali lang sa love life. Yung parang gusto mo yun. For me, sa akin lang.
That's a nice perspective. Parang maybe
Mas maganda makilala mo yung tao ng personal. Ayun talaga yung little na interconnection.
that's the bridge nga, 'di ba? Yun nga yung bridge na sinasabi ni Ramon.
Yeah.
Better
It can
to meet
help
up.
build. I mean, it depends. You can meet someone online and also have like the same connection as someone you met in person. I mean, just keep an open mind. I mean, I'm not against meeting people in person. I still think it's like the epitome of relationships. Pero as times change, generations change, culture change, feeling ko, I feel like online dating is here to stay, man.
Maybe. Maybe.
Pero yeah,
I think is Match.com. Di ba? Match.com? Di ba?
Match.com was the OG.
Yeah, kasi parang
I think it was. Isa siya sa una, Match.com.
Yeah. So, yun, we had personal experiences sa dating apps and stuff. Si KD lang ata eh. But why? Like,
Nakilala ko lang yung dating app by Kendrick.
Ah. Okay.
it's a shame. I'm ashamed. I am the
Yeah.
Pero I'm proud to say na hindi ako nagsimula nagpakilala ng dating apps kay Kendrick. So, sa inyo yung domino effect dyan. Oh, out ako dyan. Out ako dyan.
Hindi rin naman kasalanan ni Kendrick kung ano. Parang may rin lang sa kanya. May na-share lang. Ganun. Puro share lang lagi.
Yeah, actually, that's the power of the internet. You can share anything. Tapos doon mo nalalaman kung kunyari.
Everything is interconnected. Everything is interconnected. It's like a web.
Yung kwento yung origin ng paggamit ko ng dating apps is not from the internet, actually. Kapitbahay ko nagkwento sa akin. Kung nakikinig ka man ngayon, hello, thank you. So sabi niya, try mo mag-Bumble.
Wait, by the way, we're not sponsored by Bumble or Tinder.
Shoutout na lang sa shoutout Tinder, shoutout Bumble.
So, yun.
No, we're not sponsored. Don't.
Shoutout lang natin. Baka
Hindi tayo sponsored.
Sponsor tayo.
Oo.
Sponsored tayo.
Diba? Yeah, baka lang.
Sponsor tayo. Baka nga ma-sponsor tayo, di ba? So,
oo nga, no? Sige, sorry. Baka. So, Bumble, Tinder, sponsor naman dyan. Or para gumaan loob nyo, donate na podcast namin para i-donate namin sa Red Cross.
So,
donate kayo. Bumble, Tinder, rolling on. Kind hearts. Go.
Nung first ko trinay yung dating app, walang nangyari. Legit. Walang nangyari. So, I deleted my account. Tapos, na-try ko yung second account. May nangyari. Which is good. Nagulat nga ako. May nangyari.
That's great.
May nangyari.
I love that.
Very interesting. Very interesting how just one swipe left or right, may makikilala ka. Diba?
That's the power of the internet.
Diba?
Could make or break you.
And the internet is such a powerful tool to collect a group of people.
Yeah.
Ano bang games na nauso dati? LOL, Dota, or I don't know, LOL, Dota, are those old games? I don't
LOL, Dota, CSGO,
Crossfire, Special Force,
yun, di ba nagka-community,
Warcraft,
nung nagka-Facebook, parang nagkaroon ng mga groups and communities, di ba?
The internet helped the gaming community. Like, the gaming community, I'm not an avid gamer, pero feeling ko ang laki ng contribution ng internet sa gaming community. Like, I don't think gaming would have gotten to their height now if it wasn't for the internet. Like, to think before, like, it's fun to play games online against people other than just the computer. Diba?
realistic kasi yung arcade na kalaban mo is AI. Yun.
Like the recent chess championships where Wesley So won. Diba? It happened because of the internet.
Yung ba yung actually I'm a chess fan pero di ko alam yan. Anong tournament yan? Yung ba yung 960?
Huh?
Yung ba yung 960? Yung chess tournament 960?
Yung ano?
Yung kusa nanalo si Wesley.
I told you Wesley So won.
Pero di ko alam.
Recently lang mga 2 weeks ago siya nanalo.
Di ko alam anong tournament.
Di ko rin alam anong tournament eh. Sinare ko pa yun
Wait lang. Ito rin yung power ng internet. Madali mo nahanap yung
US Chess Championship.
Alam mo, ayoko nang hanapin. Pero Wesley So is such a, share ko lang, such a Filipino pride, pero sayang sinayang siya ng Pilipinas. Anyways, Wesley So is a Filipino pride. Pero US citizen na siya ngayon. So, yun lang.
So, ayun nga, maraming...
Wait. Make it natural.
Okay.
Sige, yun. Yun lang.
3, 2, 1, go. Marami rin nagagawa yung internet magaganda sa atin. Diba? Nakapag-search tayo, nakapagawa ng assignment, nakapag-internet with other peoples. Pero, sa internet rin, marami rin nagagawang kababalaghan. Like, such terrible things.
Hacking.
Tama, Kendrick.
Bakit?
Ikaw ba may experience ka na terrible things na nangyari sa internet? Na-witness mo parang yun?
Discovering porn, that's weird.
Natural yan.
Natural yun.
Sa ating mga lalaki.
Well, not
Hindi mo wala yan. Not
weird.
all.
I was 13 or 14,
Same.
'di ba?
13, 14 kayo.
Yeah, 13 or 14 years old, ganun.
16 ako.
Sana all.
Sana all.
Sana all late na discover yung pero it was interesting how I discovered porn. Parang may sinuggest na website yung tropa ko. Tapos maling website. So napunta ako sa ibang website. So yun.
Victim.
Nakita ako ng female chest.
Yeah, you saw a tit.
It's a fantasy.
So yun.
You saw it. I know. No, we're not being sexist here.
Nah,
We're just sharing
sharing.
facts. What Kendrick saw. We're being
Ano pa,
objective.
Kendrick? Bukod sa beep.
We just said porn.
Okay.
We just
Yorn.
man, you don't censor it.
Yorn.
Actually, yun lang. I think yun lang. I never got hacked. So, I think hacking is another thing to talk about pag ganito. Kasi it's very, crucial.
Chances are high. Chances are, mataas ang chance mo ma-hack kapag nagda-download ka sa torrent or pumupunta-punta ka ng deep
Visiting
web.
sites na hindi trusted.
Yung deep web, I doubt na pwede kang feeling ko mahirap ka ma-hack doon kasi torrent ginagamit mo eh. Pero torrent, alam ko, pwede ka talagang ma-hack doon.
Antivirus.
Kasi kahit address mo.
For me,
Ang antivirus, yun ngayon nagpapa-virus minsan eh.
Yeah, ayun nga. Kaya hindi ko nagdadown ng antivirus.
Gagi, walang ginagawa antivirus mo. Tititigan niya lang yung virus.
Yeah.
May antivirus pa naman ako. Anong gamit nun?
Anong antivirus mo?
Ano bang antivirus ko? Yung dito sa computer.
Kaspersky? McAfee?
AVG, Avast.
Avast.
Avast. Avast is good. Avast ang gamit ko. Kahit sa phone ko, Avast.
Ako wala.
Ano pa ba? Yung dito naman sa
Brave lang talaga.
McAfee.
Nga McAfee parang default eh. Kahit sa Asus, yun ang yung lumalabas parati.
So yun.
McAfee. Pero yeah, Avast ang gamit ko for my laptop and my phone. Avast, pa-sponsor naman dyan.
Baka naman.
Yung Xiaomi, alam ko may Matic na cleaner na siya.
Yeah. Oh, chances are high if you use China phones. So don't use China phones.
Grabe naman.
Speaking of getting hacked. Kahit na China phone ang gamit ko ngayon. Shout out Communist Party of China. Chinese Communist Party. This is our podcast.
So, yun nga po. So, ikaw naman, Mon, share mo naman yung kung anong naging terrible things na nangyari sa isang.
I've tried to get into the deep web. Siguro mga 5 times na yata. Pero 5 times na nag-fail ako. And siguro the sheer amount of creepiness in the deep web pushed me to try it. And the sheer amount of creepiness pushed me to not try it. So, urong-sulong ako dun.
Legit yun? Yung creepy images or like yung mga pwede mong bilhin?
Like, di pa ako nakaka-roam talaga. Nag-download ako ng Tor. Ilang beses na ako nag-download ng Tor. Pero I only got to as far as downloading Tor. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-browse talaga. I mean, I used Tor for Facebook once, then never again. Pero di pa nakakapag-browse talaga ng mga creepy sites. Kasi kinakabahan din ako eh. So, siguro, basta urong-sulong ako doon. Na-download ko siya, tapos uninstall ko rin dahil kinakabahan ako. Siguro another worst thing on the internet is cancel culture.
Yeah.
Because you can't say your mind. Yeah, you're always in fear of being canceled. I mean, kung cancel ka naman talaga. Okay lang. I mean, okay lang na i-cancel ka. Kunyari kung kupal ka talaga. Pero kung, alam mo yun, alam mo yun, may sinasabi ka lang naman eh. Mali naman yata na i-cancel ka just for speaking your mind.
Yung iba, oo, yung iba. Pero yung iba talaga,
Kaya
mga kupal.
Oh, pero ako, I'm a firm believer in free speech. I feel like everything can be, lahat nadadaan sa healthy discussion.
True.
At the end of the day, you might not even agree on your differences, pero at least what's important is your differences were heard, ba? Instead of canceling each other. Yun lang naman, kasi lately the internet has been used for such.
KD, weird experiences on the internet? Ano meron sa'yo?
Siguro yung nakita ko yung mga videos ng murders.
Oh,
Then,
yun. Yeah.
videos ng murders, nahack na rin ako. And
Ay, oo, di ba yung dati mong account? Kaya di ka makapasok dun.
Hinak siya. Shout out ko lang. Hinak siya ng certain someone because of a certain something.
Shout out sa'yo, please bayaran mo na ako.
Yun!
Using this podcast as a platform.
Mabuhay.
Hashtag the power of the internet.
Di ba? Yun din yung power ng internet. Nagagamit siya as platform.
Ito lang ang masasabi ko sa'yo.
Pwede ka maningil sa may utang sa'yo. Mars.
Makahanap ka rin. And I know where you live na. Exactly.
Let's avoid making threats here on the Staying Alive podcast kasi pangalan ng podcast natin nakasalalay.
Hindi naman. I'm just saying that nadadaan sa mabuting paraan ang lahat. Ayun lang.
Wag paabutin sa malala. Sana.
Shout out sa'yo. 3 taon na.
He who must not be named.
Voldemort.
And
3 years na.
Ano pa? May nag-chat na sa akin sa Facebook.
Ano?
Ano siya? I don't know kung legit na babae talaga siya. Ayun, bigla na lang nag-add siya sa akin, then in-accept ko. Then, right after na in-accept ko, nag-chat agad bigla siya sa akin. And, syempre, may alam na ako sa nun. Mautak na ako sa internet nun. So, nag-send siya sa akin ng mga nude pictures. Yung, nag-chat sa akin, I'm so horny, babe. Yung gano'n.
Scam yan.
Visit tayo, gano'n. Tapos, sinakyan ko. Sinakyan ko. Then, sige pa nga, ginawa. Send ka pa. Kasi, inano ko kung, siya, kasi napapanood ko sa mga Rapid Tulfo, yung mga ganun. Chinik ko talaga kung extortionist, mga ganun. So, send kayo ganun. Tapos, after nyo send, ikaw naman, baby KD, yung ganun. Then, talaga kasi sa pangalan niyo. Then, send ka rin. Ay, sorry. Hindi sa kasi alam ko na yung mga katulad mo. Ganyan. So, natrack ko na rin IP address, ganun. Kaya, kung balak mo na akong extortion, alam na kagad kung kita ko na saan ka. Kaya, please don't mess with me. Gawin ako sa kanya. Then, ayun, in-unfriend na ako bigla.
That's so gangster, though.
The power of the internet. Never mess
Yung
with me.
Power of the internet. Lahat na ngayon ng tao pupunta kay Idol Rapi, Supreme Court of the Philippines. Sa kanya na.
Tulfo and chill.
Internet politics, Twitter especially. That's weird.
Yeah, I quit Twitter.
That's
I quit Twitter for that fucking reason.
That's
Alam mo, kumuha ako ng Twitter, ng Instagram. Walang nangyari. Parang mga tito-tita.
kasi di ka pa nga sanay gamitin yung IG tsaka Twitter. Pero
Yung mga ganun na, wait lang. May mga ganun tao na, yung malakas sa social media, yung mga internet, Twitter, Instagram. Like, how to be them. Yung ganun. Ano yung feel nang nandun sila? Na parating na sa Twitter, Instagram. Ako, Facebook lang ako eh.
alam mo,
Facebook, YouTube.
I'm telling you, it's better. It's better to limit your social media account.
Nakaka-addict ka.
The less exposed you are to social media, I think, for me, parang the less you think about things. Pero hindi ka lang, alam mo yun, parang less aware ka, pero I think it's good for you in a way. Depende on how you receive information sa internet.
Mahirap rin mag-manage ng social media eh. Nung na-try ko yung sa Instagram, in mga few weeks. Nalito ko kung anong uunahin ko, kung Facebook ba or Instagram. Ganyan. Kaya nag-quit ka agad ako. Stick to Facebook.
So, mo Reddit. Maganda Reddit. 4chan. Under 4chan.
4chan? Buhay pa ba yun?
Yeah. Oh, nag-4chan pa minsan. Nag-4chan ako.
Di ko,
Minsan
alam
lang.
yun, Hindi ko
Minsan
alam
na
yun,
minsan. Pag bored na bored. Random discussions, mga threads, memes. Maraming memes doon.
surfer ako ng 9gag dati. Alam mo yung di ba, usong-uso yung 9gag.
Ayan. 9gag was fun.
Yeah.
Pupunta talaga ako, 9gag.com. Tapos share.
Same.
That's the old.
Ako hindi. No.
The old.
Yung mga OG memes. 9gag. Tsaka Reddit. I mean, the meme community in Reddit is strong.
Nandun,
Dank memes.
R18 memes. Nandun, karamihan.
History
So
memes.
ito, may question ako.
Oh.
Ano yung mga, unahin ko muna yung Kendrick. Ano yung mga,
Bakit?
Ay, sige, si Ramon. Okay, kay Ramon. Dahil ngayon, ang world is mostly exposed na sa internet. So, anong madalas na sites ang pinupuntahan mo sa internet?
YouTube. Wala na akong ibang pinapanood ng YouTube. Di na ako nagpe-Facebook. YouTube na lang. Kasi, I don't know, I just like watching videos. And I watch the same videos over and over again. Share ko lang. If you're familiar with Jackass, familiar kayo sa Jackass?
Yung movie?
Oh, Jackass. The Steve-O. Sa Johnny Knoxville.
Yun
Yun at yun lang na pinapanood ko. Paulit-ulit. Hanggang nagsasawa na ako sa mga stunt nila. Tsaka ano pa ba pinapanood ko? At stamps. Tsaka model kit building. Yun lang. Lego. Other than that, car maintenance.
Yeah.
At pag kailangan mag-aral, calculus,
Academy.
thermodynamics.
Shout out kay Mr. Khan Academy.
No, actually, he's not effective. He's not effective.
Oh.
Shout out
I've tried
lang.
him.
First time.
Hindi ako.
Whoa. Really? First time ko lang yun.
Really?
First time ko lang narinig sa someone na parang hindi effective yung Khan Academy.
I mean, effective siya nung grade 6 ako. Pero nung college na ako, hindi na nawawala na yung kanyang like, ang gulo ng examples. You get me?
I think it depends on the course. Kasi sa amin, it still applies eh. Effective pa siya eh.
No, I tried with calculus. Didn't work out, man. I was
Depende naman
confused.
sa tao na nanonood.
May recommend ako, pag mabot kayo dito, mga listeners, give this guy a chance. Professor Leonard. Matatagal yung mga videos niya. Minsan 1 hour long. Minsan 2 hours. Pero solid. Ako, nung quarantine, I sat through his entire intermediate algebra and calculus 1 class. It was the shit. Might I say, like, religion is something old-ish. Gets mo ba, like, traditional, dogmatic. But through the internet, because of the internet, things are changing. Like, nung quarantine, people were going to online masses. That's it. I mean, online evangelization. Na-share ko lang kasi Kanye West got changed through the internet.
Alam mo, fan ako ni Kanye West, pero di ko naintindihan yung change. Anong change sa internet? Like, I'm a fan.
No, I mean, like, as I know him, kilala ko siya third party. Like, di naman ako si Kim Kardashian no, para kaharap niya 24/7. Pero yeah, I saw him change on the internet kasi dude was known for making weird comments. Pero last year, naging Christian siya.
Controversial yun.
Yeah, controversial yun. And look at his song though. Closed on Sunday. You know that song?
Hindi.
Closed on Sunday. You my Chick-fil-A. It's so weird, man. Maganda ka na niya, Good Life.
Alam ko si KD fan siya ng hip-hop, pero hindi yung modern hip-hop.
No. Ni isang kanta ni Kanye. Wala akong alam.
Ano na ako? Tupac. Shakur.
Tupac, oo. Trip niya.
Biggie Small.
Yung mga old hip-hop rap. Yun. Yun talaga.
Ano ba?
Meron naman mga gusto ngayon, pero ano lang,
Nelly.
limited lang.
No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo. Girl, you know I'm crazy over you.
Busta Rhymes, mga ganyan.
Oo.
Dak.
West Coast, I know you're shaking right. Down
Dak.
south.
Eminem. Tapos ngayon na-discover lang si Andy Cooper. Damn. So great. Inano ko kasi, in-introduce ko siya kay Kendrick. Then, gawin mo ng cardistry video to kasi it's so hype.
Ice Cube. Ice Cube.
Ice Cube, meron pa rin naman until now. Gumagawa pa rin siya ng kanta.
Super OG Ice Cube. Ice Cube is OG.
Alam mo, pag kinalaban mo sa Ice Cube sa mga balagtasan mo, kawawa ka, durog ka talaga. Kaya nabuong NWA dahil sa kanya.
NWA. Ano pa ba magandang ano?
Nagkawalay-walay rin NWA dahil sa kanya.
Pinoy rap.
Pinoy rap.
Shotgun.
Mike
Ganja.
Cosa.
Buddha.
Mike Cosa, Glock 9. Ayun, sino ka?
Initigasan naman ako na yung ganda. Dahil sa iyong ganda, ako'y na.
Yan yung rap na ayoko.
Napatanga.
Hindi, pre.
Napakalaki.
Pakinggan mo yan.
Basta,
Pakinggan mo Flow G.
hindi naman natawa. Na-weirdan ako nung sa kantang yun. Nung narinig ko yung kantang yun. Sobrang na-weirdan ako. Si Gadin Gadin, shoutout. Sana nakikinig ka. Si Gadin pa kasama ko nun.
Sino ba narinig ko yun eh? Pero through the internet lang. Pero,
Ako si Gadin kasama ko nun. Ang awkward pa kasi umiinom yata kami noon sa barrio. Tapos nagkakwentuhan kami. Tapos biglang yun ang pinlay. Yun yung first song na lumabas. Tapos kumakanta si Gadin. Tapos sabi ko, puta nga ng lyrics yan. Seryoso. Kasi, it's just not appropriate.
Mga lyrics niyan, it's trash.
Trash. Sobrang trash.
All about sex, drugs, guns. Hindi katulad dati, yung mga rap talaga, all about politics, gripes. Ayun talaga. Ayun ang maganda pakinggan.
Shotgun.
Isipin mo yung bago tayo nagka-attention and shit, parang ngayon lang natin na-discover yung mga dati. Alam mo yun, parang paano kung yung how can I say this?
At isipin nyo, paano kung nabuhay tayo sa panahon ng mga magulang natin?
Oo, yun. So, di ba,
alam mo, para sa akin masaya.
Actually kasi lagi naman natin sabihin na the old days were better. Di ba? Kahit yung feel ko yung future generation, tapos sasabihin natin sa kanila, I think the old days were better. Ganun. I think ganun yung magiging Pero alam na natin yung magiging advantages nila. Kasi 'di ba parang we built the steps for them.
Kasi ngayon, promise mas maganda tumira dati. Kasi talaga nakapag-interact ka. Hindi katulad ngayon, parang tatamarin ka na lumabas dahil may internet. Ganyan. Parang nakikita mo na yung mundo dahil sa internet. parang hindi na masaya kasi hindi ka na nakakagalaw. Hindi natural.
Good point.
But I think it's dangerous to live in the past kasi we have this tendency to lose ourselves in the past. Like we're trying to live in a world that just isn't so.
Another good
And it's also dangerous. It's dangerous to live in the future. So whatever issues we have in the present, I think it's just proper that we tackle whatever issue we have now, find solutions to whatever issues we have now. Because if we continue living in the past, I mean, I'll admit, maganda naman talaga yung past, pero it's in the past, diba? For all we know, that kung if we're living in the 70s, the people in the 70s probably want to live in the 40s. And if we live in the 40s, the people want to live in the 1900s. And the 1900s, people want to live in the 1860s. Diba? It's just a never-ending cycle of people wanting to live in the past. But we have to live in the present. Kasi andito tayo. Yun lang. SKL. Jesus reference.
Shoutout kay Rizal.
Shout out kay Rizal. Rizal reference.
Rizal reference.
sa internet lang din natin or like through media in general. Pero the internet parang kunyari si Rizal, ang daming kwento pero di natin alam kung paano natin i-confirm. Sa internet lang natin nalalaman lahat or like through media, di ba?
True. Like the internet has been a great tool for storing memories.
Mm.
Pero hindi ka rin sure kung totoo, di ba? So it's like
Yun lang.
it's how you interpret the information or kung
Yun
paano.
lang. Kaya kailangan natin ng social media literacy.
Uy,
Kulang
nakalimutan
sa
natin.
Pilipino.
Nakalimutan natin, turn na ni Kendrick.
Turn.
Turn mo na kung ano yung mga madalas mong puntahang sites.
Usually YouTube dati nung buhay pa yung Kick-Ass Torrents, doon ako lagi. Nakapunta niyo ba yun? Kick-Ass Torrents?
Yeah. Ano.
Oh, you suck, Ramon. You suck.
Doon ako nag-download ng games eh.
Kick-Ass Torrents was the shit of torrents.
Kick-Ass Torrents. I don't know that. Y8 lang alam ko.
Kick-Ass Torrents.
Crave.
Minecraftforfree.com. Nabutan niyo yun.
I don't play games. Kaya di ko.
I don't play Minecraft.
Oh, damn. Who are you?
Huh?
Minecraft was cool, man. I had so many worlds.
It was cool. I think
Minecraft was cool when PewDiePie played it last year. It's not cool now.
Yun din yung nagagawa ng internet. Influencers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like us.
Pwede.
We're not necessarily influencers. We're talk show hosts.
Yeah.
Parang may mga nabubuong may mga nabubuong idols. Yung mga naging hindi siya hindi naman siya, wala siyang significant na ginawa sa mundo or like wala siyang significant na ginawa sa bansa niya, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Yung mga national heroes or naging naging person of the government, ganun. Parang from the internet nagiging personality.
Internet make them famous.
Yun. Yung nagiging person, PewDiePie, for example, one of the highest
And
highest number of subscribers ngayon sa YouTube as a content creator.
Ilan na ba? 105?
107.
Gago T-Series.
YouTube creator nga kasi, content creator.
Not corporation.
Oo.
Shoutout kay PewDiePie. Hey, PewDiePie.
PewDiePie pa-sponsor naman.
Hey, English.
PewDiePie, could you please sponsor us, please? Thank you.
Thank you. Give us free stuff. Give us your
Give us some PS5
Yeah, like I really like one of your jackets.
headphones.
Sobrang trending nung T-Series sa PewDiePie war. Like, alam ko yung issue ni T-Series para di ba? Parang hindi naman siya creator, di ba?
Nag-repost lang siya. Gago, nakatatlong fake account ako para lang tulungan si PewDiePie.
What the fuck?
Naghirap
God.
siya? Yung na-scam siya na Yung na-scam ba siya?
Sino?
Si PewDiePie?
Di ko alam yun.
Yung nawalan siya ng palaking pera?
ako gumawa ako ng fake account para
Para-
tulungan siya.
Kaya
Yung
nga,
mga messages niya.
ano na ba yung naging problem yun noon? Kasi,
Yung-
ano,
Yung tinatalo niya sa T-Series kasi mas maraming, kasi paramihan na ng subscribers.
Hinahabol.
Neck and neck yun, no? Nalala mo yun?
Around 90 or 80 M. Ata.
Everyone I know was going for PewDiePie. The internet was filled with PewDiePie and PewDiePie was relevant again.
Yun nga, parang dun bumalik si PewDiePie.
Ang galing nga nun eh. Kasi yung mga kanta niya pa, congratulations, tsaka yung bitch lasagna.
alam mo, dinownload ko yung game niya talaga. Ewan ko kung alam ni Kendrick yun. Ay, hindi.
Anong game yung
Ano yung
Ano pala yun?
Super Simulator?
Oo, dinownload ko yun. Damn.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Sarap laruin.
Tuber Simulator.
Ayun,
Ayan.
simulator. Meron din yun ah. Buhay pa yun ah.
Buhay pa.
Kaya nga, KD Sari download.
Hindi, dati ano, yung dati yung phone. Ganda na ng ano ko dun. Setup.
Ayun. Share ko lang virtual background ko.
That's me on an airplane.
Si Kendrick. Kasi pareho kayong K eh.
Ken 320.
Gago puta. 320.
Ken 380.
Kaya 320. Gawin mo namang Neo. 320 Neo.
Ken 380.
321 yun. Uy.
May 320 Neo.
Ayaw nga
Ken
pala.
330. Pero yeah. Ay,
Ken
ano ba?
777.
Wait, what? Ayun. Ayan. Ayan. Kendrick
Dalito sa orientation. Gago.
of Denzel ang the power of the internet. You could make funny memes and share them. Like I chose this specifically because Kendrick funny meme. I feel like nagamit ko na to episode Sando Talks. Nagamit ko lang ulit.
Iba talaga no? Ang taas mo na, Kendrick. Cannot be rich.
Naalala ko how we advertised before our first episode. Di ba, Ramon?
Use memes.
Used me.
Yeah, I used him. Because everybody loves Kendrick.
Wala. Tinatawag ko ngayon si Kendrick as content material.
True. Tsaka,
Shoutout kayo.
Interesting story ng internet. Alam mo ba yung origin ng podcast namin because of an internet call? Sure ko lang. Late night call namin ni Kendrick yun. Bro, wanna start a podcast? Alright fam, let's go.
If you watch the first episode, alam niyo yung kwento kung paano namin naboto. Ngayon napasama na dinamay namin nasa si KD. Ito si KD dinamay namin sa kagaguhan namin kasi we're solid friends.
Yeah. So, yun, shoutout sa avid listeners namin. Hindi ko na kayo mention kasi privacy. Pero, they liked episode 2, man.
Yeah.
Like episode 2.
I think we should shout out yung mga nakikinig in general. Like parang alam mo malapit nang matapos yung year and we're
shout out to listeners. So, if you know anyone that listens to our podcast, just shout it out right now.
I think we can. I think we can't.
I think
for their privacy.
yeah.
Like
I wanted to.
pag alam na lang nila na parang umabot
sa lahat ng
I wanted to
subscribe, naka-like.
I wanted to shout out Sir Brian Peralta. Thank you for being our guest. Kahit wala ako doon. Yun lang.
Yeah, our first guest. Kapag alam mo, umabot talaga sila dito, pag umabot sila dito, they're avid listeners.
Yeah, I'd like to shout out to my sister for being somewhat a listener.
Nagulat na ako kapatid ko nakikinig tapos binibigyan ako ng comments na parang umiiba raw boses ko and shit, so kailangan ko ayusin and stuff, di ba?
Shout out to my mom.
Shout out sa mga sumusuporta sa amin. Mabuhay kayo.
Actually,
Lahat ng sumuporta.
it's very overwhelming. Very overwhelming yung support nyo. Kahit,
Alam naming mahina sa umpisa, pero alam namin, unti-unti aangat itong channel na to.
Kasi this will probably be the last episode na kaming tatlo lang for the rest of the year. Kasi patapos na ang 2020. So, next episodes will be quality, pero I doubt it will be... Pero ngayon lang kasi tayo na kompleto. Yeah.
I think, yeah. We had Sando Talks. So, like,
Yeah. Pero yun nga, kasi the following episodes will probably have someone with us. But this will be probably the last episode na kami tatlo lang. So, just like to give a huge shout out to the people that has been us from episode 1 to episode 7. This is in our final episode. Gusto lang namin maging mema. Kasi gusto kong umiyak. Pero mema lang namin to.
wait lang. We forgot something.
What?
Si KD. Ano yung madalas niyang puntahan na website?
Pornhub.
Ay, hindi ah.
Ikaw ata yun, ano po? Di mo natin sabi.
Gago. No, not November.
No, not November.
So,
So, ang madalas kong puntahan na site is YouTube.
XX. RedTube. X-Hamster. X-Video.
Kaya bagal ang phone mo eh.
Gago ka ba? Uy.
Kaya
Alam mo
bagal
ba,
ang phone mo eh.
Classmates ko. Pero ako di ako nanonood.
puro ba?
Kaya hindi nagdalaw.
Gago, ang sakit ng
So-
bigote ko. Share ko. Tusok yung lips ko. Sige na, KD.
YouTube, Philstar. Kasi, di ba nga, Dario. Nagbabasa-basa ako ng mga articles ng yung,
Yung masaya yun. Ako, ginagawa ko yun dati.
ano pa, dahil dito eh. So, ano rin ako, fan rin ako ng Google Class, ng Edmodo.
Sobrang relate.
Edmodo. Ngayon pa kayo nag-Edmodo?
Ngayon lang ako naging fan ng Edmodo, ng Google Glass. Pero parang pilit lang yun.
Shoutout sa Canvas.
Ayun.
Canvas din.
Facebook.
Canvas.
Yeah, Facebook. Di naman maiwasan yung Facebook na nandyan lang.
PH Gun Wild. Ganun.
Shoutout nga pala sa Tekken Industry. Dahil sa inyo.
Tekken Industry, di ba Bandai Namco yun?
Bandai, gumagawa ng game. Kumbaga, mga grupo na mahilig sa Tekken.
Okay. Kala ko,
Shoutout
Shoutout.
sa inyo.
Bandai shoutout pa sponsor.
Bandai, shoutout rin sa inyo.
Actually, di ba, I think na-mention ko yung community. Si KD, naalala ko, he likes playing Tekken, tapos may nakakita siyang Tekken community. Tapos nagka-Tekken tournament na ata siya once because of that, di ba?
Once lang.
Once. Pero it's a very fun experience, I think.
Natalo agad pero ang gagaling.
Okay lang yan, pre. Ako din naman eh.
Pero di ba nakita mo yung sense of community nyo? Di ba?
Yeah.
Through internet, dahil doon, nakilala ko yung mga tao.
Yun. Ay! Philippine Stamp Collector Society. Dahil sa internet, na-revive.
Stamps. Ako,
Stamps.
ang
Cards.
ganda ng mga stamps ni Roman. Actually, it's a very, for me, it's an uncommon hobby. Pero ang ganda tingnan ng mga stamps.
Yeah. Philippine Stamp Collector Society, shoutout.
Tapos,
Yun.
Tapos, ako, I'm into cardistry and shit. So, ano ba yung shoutout ko? Cardipelago, I think, shoutout sa inyo. Astig!
Pa-sponsor.
Ano yung sponsor nila? Pero yun, so yun.
Shoutout rin pala sa Makulay PH, Trippy Die.
Puro shoutout na.
Shoutout pala sa Makulay PH dahil kasi ang bilis ko nakuha agad yung product. Ang ganun, quality talaga eh. I believe. And
Hakot sponsors.
responsive seller, napakabait, hindi katulad ng iba. Ayan.
Hakot sponsors.
Shoutout sa inyo. Makulay PH baka naman.
This is the episode. Nakukuha tayo ng sponsor kasi it's all about the internet.
The power of the internet.
Power of it. Zoom. Shout out Zoom. Sponsor.
Sponsor naman kahit premium lang yun.
Bigyan nyo na kami ng extension sa 40-minute meeting.
Hindi, permanent ano na.
Shopee.
Total, alam nyo naman kami. Zoom lang talaga ginagamit namin for meeting. Kaya Zoom, baka
Guys,
naman.
pagpasensyahan nyo na kung wala na kayong knowledge gain sa mga episodes namin lately. Hindi na siya gaya ng episode 2. Siguro we'll try again. Sobrang hirap kasi gawin ng episode 2. Kung alam mo lang nakailang take kami ni Kendrick doon. Nakailang 10 take yata tayo doon, no?
10 takes. I think around 5, 6.
But still a lot.
Yun nga. Kasi we wanted to be clear and objective. Pero we had our own thoughts doon.
Yeah. We'll try again though.
I remember wala pa si KD noon sa episode na yun. Pero nung pinanood ni KD, ano yung opinions mo doon, KD? Naalala ko pa yun eh.
Saan? Anong episode?
Yung Solitude episode. Alam ko maganda yun eh. Parang nagandahan ka doon sa concept na yun.
Nagandahan na ako. Maganda siya. Pero ang napansin ko kasi yung time na yun is not very alive yung boses. Then, may isa yung nagsasalita. Then, ang hina ng audio. So, comments pa ng comment para kung ano yung pwede pang ma-improve. So, sa mga avid listeners natin dyan, kung may napapansin pa kayo, please PM us or comment.
Or di yata staying alive yung episode 2 natin. Staying dead yata episode 2 natin. Staying emo. Ang emo ng episode na yun, no? Pinsin mo.
We were like, hello, welcome. Ganun.
Yeah, it's so emo, man. I should have been like...
Dapat alive tayo kayong staying alive. What's up sa inyong mga buhay?
I should have played...
Nag-headbang ka na kayo, hindi?
Dapat
bang ano?
What's up sa inyo?
I should have played My Chemical Romance while doing the episode.
Ano dapat? Rage Against the Machine.
Oh, Rage Against... Yun!
I think we can end the episode here.
I think we should end the episode here. So yeah, guys, shout out again to all our sponsors. Pa-sponsor. Donations are still open. Hanggang bukas na lang kasi para makatulong tayo kagad sa mga nasalanta at para matapos na rin po kagad. And stay tuned for episode 7 which will happen...
8! Episode 8!
Episode 8 which will happen soon. For our avid listeners, keep listening. And again, stay alive.
Please don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Staying Alive.
And donate.
Para sa mga kababayan natin sa Cagayan, babangon rin tayo.
Para sa mga kababayan natin na nakahaan, wala ng kabuhayan, at ngayon naghihirap dahil nasa evacuation center, naglilinis ng kanilang tahanan. Our hearts go out to you. And we're doing our best to help. Our help is, no matter how small, our help is on the way.
Maliit man ang tulong namin, basta magdasal tayo and to hope na babalik din yung sitwasyon nila.
Yep. Shout out sa inyo.
So yun. Goodbye.
Bye. See you next episode.
We're out.
See you next episode. We're out. Peace out, bitch.